The canary is a small songbird of the finch family. Canary birds are named after the islands from which they originate, the Canary Islands. They are small birds, averaging from 3 to 6 inches and weighing approximately 20 grams. They live for an average of 5 to 9 years. The wild canary is greenish yellow over most of its body, with yellow underparts. The domestic canary comes in an array of bright colors. Canaries are omnivores and prefer to eat seeds, berries, and small insects. Male canaries sing better than females. The Atlantic canary is known worldwide simply as the wild canary. It is also called island canary. There are many canary shows all over the world. The World Show is held in Europe each year. As many as 20,000 birds are brought together for this competition. The idiom, "a canary is a gold mine," is an allusion to caged canaries that mining workers would carry down into the mine tunnels with them. If dangerous gases such as methane or carbon monoxide leaked into the mine, the gases would kill the canary before killing the miners, thus providing a warning to exit the tunnels immediately. The idiom therefore means something which warns of the coming of greater danger by a deterioration of its own health or welfare. Canaries were first bred in captivity in the 17th century. They were brought over by Spanish sailors to the Europe.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tutelage by Magic for such knowledgeful videos, and give a visit to our description box